This video is sponsored by Lowe's.
So guys, I'm at the 2026 Lowe's Creator Summit and I'm getting an exclusive inside look at all the new products. We're going to have new products from Kobalt, a lot of cool stuff I'm going to be able to show you, and I just want to thank Lowe's for this opportunity. They flew me out to Las Vegas. So Lowe's, they also sell Craftsman. Now you have the ratchets and everything. Pretty shop, you got grit and grime all over the shop.
So we have the older gen version of the K-Stack system, and an improvement, we've added a new wax system and the new gen version. So leaving no customers behind with the new generation stuff. We're going to find items on the bottom and taking everything off. Drawer system, So a lot easier, more convenient for everyone.
It really makes it easier to load up that stuff. Whether you have a truck, you got to get those tools right next to where you're working.
Little dolly system there, made for all kinds of little accessories you can do. Dude, it's big.
Mobile toolbox right here. Look, these even got 24 volt max drive.
But new for 2026, Kobalt's coming out with a 24 volt battery that you can power regular power tools, charge it with a USB, but then combine those two batteries for a 48 volt system to power larger outdoor power equipment like mowers and things.
All right guys, let's go take a look at Craftsman.
That little mini vac.
No, so drill impactor.
Super cool little mini vac right there. Portable tire inflator.
I don't know, there's some things that I don't have. I definitely don't have that.
I know you guys are, a lot of my viewers, very happy with that mower. That's neat. Engine driven, battery powered.
The videos, especially on the John Deere commercials, you can. So that's a Z32 frame. I'm liking the welds. These
Outside of summer.
So look at that cover. It's going to help you.
built nearly this strong right here.
Guys, you know I'm a former John Deere tech, so let's take
Good. They've changed a lot. LED lights. Nice. Got all your batteries right there. Ego batteries?
These are Ego batteries on a John Deere. I'm just now learning this. This is crazy. You guys, a lot of big commercial mowers use the Briggs & Stratton.
We have the standers, so you can get it low foam pad while you're standing on it. $5.99. I really like these 8-inch deck Ariens. Zero turn mowers have. And you get the Kawasaki 6000. Just stay up. A lot of other ones don't have that. Lincoln 9. I'm almost strong enough to pick it up with one hand. Nice instant change welding hood. So the spool goes
For so many mobile jobs.
And I'm in Vegas. It's kind of cold. Set me up in a room in the Bellagio here.
Guys, there was so much to cover in that summit that I'm going to have to do several videos. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, Like the video, share it, check out my other past videos. I want to thank Lowe's for inviting me out to Las Vegas. And guys, do me a favor, use my Lowe's storefront for all your Lowe's needs. That's how you can support the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll have more videos like this coming soon.